Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the app installed and giving it the permissions it needs. Once done, go straight to Settings and enable Emoji Up as a keyboard. This lets you use stickers and combos system-wide. You'll create or sign into an account so your custom sets sync across devices. Make sure to allow storage access so you can import images, then switch to the Emoji Up keyboard in any app to confirm it's active and ready for the next steps. Next, you focus on assembling your expressive toolkit. You'll create a pack and add emojis, stickers, or images, drag layers to reorder, and use the color and size controls to refine each element. Once comfortable, assign a shortcut or a long press trigger so a single tap inserts your combo. Make use of gestures for repeated actions, and use preview mode to test how your emoji renders in chat. This middle step is where you make your emoji uniquely functional and visually consistent. Finally, you'll send and preserve the work you made. Use the Emoji Up keyboard to insert combos into messages, test across apps to confirm compatibility, and pin favorites for one-tap access. Enable Cloud Sync so packs update on every device and export backups if you want local copies. If something goes wrong, try re-enabling the keyboard, verifying permissions, or restarting the app. If emojis don't appear correctly, check target app compatibility or re-export the pack to reset rendering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.